Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a puppy dog to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw this super cute puppy, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now with my two circles in, I'm going to come inside with two smaller circles for highlights to make them draw so cute eyes, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now with my eyes in, let's come up above each eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve right over each eye. And then in between the eyes, we're going to draw a big puppy nose. So about right here. In between, give myself a soft curve, and then I'm going to round it down both sides, and then I'll bring it down to the center. And same thing on this side. There, nice and big. And then from there, I'm going to come to the top right here and just draw a big oval for a highlight, and then shade everything else in. There. So then my nose in, let's come to the center right here, this point, and we're going to draw a straight line down. And then from there, we're going to curve up. So we're going to come down and we're going to put in a deep curve and go up and then cap it off. And same thing here. And cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead. Oh, and underneath this right here, we're just going to draw a soft curve. Almost forgot. Small little line right there. Then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye. Let's say about right here. I'm going to come out a little bit. Just give myself a point. Same thing on the other side, about right there. And then we're going to basically draw a big bottom of a U underneath. Kind of like this dumpling shape. So I'm going to come out. It's going to go a little bit wider right here. So actually it's more like a dumpling shape, not bottom of a U. So then from there, I'm going to come down, give my puppy some cheeks. And I'll find my center. So say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. Just kind of imagining how low I want it. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect. Big curve towards the bottom. And let's go ahead and connect this to my point. That's my center, and then same thing on this side. There. So it's much easier. If you're drawing big, give yourself points so it's just you know where you're going. So then from there, we're going to bring this up to create our dumpling shape. So it's a little bit narrower on the top. And so let's say about this high. Towards the center, give myself another point. That's where I'm going to go with my line, and then we're going to come down to connect. There. So I've got big puppy dog face in. Then let's draw some ears. So it's all up to you what kind of dogs you like, but I guess the ears would determine the dog breed, right? If you want, you can just make them nice and easy and go up, but today I'm going to have them flop down. So I'm going to come about right here and go up, kind of like floppy ears. And then we're going to come down And then come back right here and you're just going to draw a curve, come down and hit the face. Then I'm going to come back to right here. I'm going to round this part off and I'm going to bring it down to say below the eye. So about right here, round off the tip and then just bring it in. There. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag some points across. So once again, let's go up and down a little bit and then come back right here and curve in, round this part off, and once again just want about the same area on the other side right there and connect. There. So we have our two floppy ears in. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here, not too wide, say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little collar for our puppy and connect. Bring this out a little bit more. Just center it. And then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to draw a body. So we're going to bring this down. So I'm making it very, very simple for this puppy right here. So I'm going to bring this down and say about right here. I'm going to go ahead in the center. I'm going to give myself 2 points right in the center. From here, I'm going to come down with a curve. And these are going to be the beginning of the front legs. And then about right here, I'm just going to pop it out a tiny little bit for a paw. Just pop it out. Then right here, we're going to a little bit shorter than that part. We're going to come out. And then just go ahead and curve and connect at the bottom. So same thing here. So about right here, same width. Bring down a curve and then just go ahead and connect at the bottom. And then come right here, just draw 2 soft curves right there. Aw, so cute, right? And then in between, just draw a soft curve there. And then we're just going to tuck this back right here. So like I said, this is very simplified. So we're just going to bring it in. Don't need to draw any back legs or anything. So right here, just go ahead and bring it in there. And then of course, let's draw a little tail about right here, round off the tip and bring it in. And then let's come back to the center. We're going to give our puppy here a big heart because this is for Valentine's, right? So about right here, and I'm going to come straight down nice and low. Give myself a point, and that's where I'm going to draw my big heart on both sides here and connect there. Okay, so now with my heart in, that is pretty much it if you want just a basic, just a normal puppy dog, right? But today, if you want to make it extra special for Valentine's, I'm going to put a rose right in the mouth. So that's why we wanted to bring this down a little bit more full so that we could tuck in a little rose. So if you want to do that, let's come right here and towards this top area right here. I'm just going to draw a curve that comes out. So this is the stem of our rose. Put right here, and I'll just cut it off at an angle right there, and then it's going to continue. So it's at a curve, continue right here at the top, come out just a little bit, make it a little bit thinner as you get to this part right here, and then in this area we'll draw the rose. So using this as, so we're going to pop this out a little bit, make it a little bit wider, and then we're going to cut it off and then draw our center crown leaf, if that's what you call that, the little leaves that are at the bottom of a rose. I know they're not leaves, but we're just going to crown of our rose there. And then we're going to pop in our rose. So just still remember we're at the same angle. So this is our front. So like right here, put in a curve. So turn your paper and take a look at this and make sure I'm at the right angle. And then right about here, so this is my center, about right there, and draw a curve. So I'm totally simplifying this rose as well. So right here, then we're just going to draw a big oval right here. And then this is where, okay, hold on, let me turn my body here. This is pretty tricky. And I'll draw a curve right here to separate the petal, and then in here is where we're going to swirl. There, to make it look like a rose, a simplified rose. Okay, sorry about that if that was confusing. It's just so hard when I can't turn my body or turn the paper. Okay, so there. So hopefully that looks like a rose, and then I'm going to come back right here and we can spruce it up a little bit more. Let's add a little leaf right here that comes out. And right here, we're just going to draw a zigzag and then bring it down and connect. There. And then I'll come back in here and white that all out, these lines. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home and you would just erase these lines right here if you want to give your puppy a rose. I just thought that would be extra cute. Okay, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of a cute little puppy dog to celebrate Valentine's. I really hope I helped you draw this cute dog fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.